Hi, how are you? Welcome to the show. In this video, I don't really know what's going to be going on, but I'm going to list it right here. Anyway, while I'm still in this space, my Victoria's Secret space, I'm just going to revamp a part of the room so it can be my content making space because I want a certain look and this doesn't give it. This is the wall right here. I'm going to have like a chair. These are the vines I bought from Amazon, you know, just giving very much teenage girl. Oh my gosh, they shed. Yep. I also got the lights just for a more aesthetic filming type purpose, you know, like just to give my content a little, like a little boost. Let's get started.
Not that I don't want you here. Ariana, what are you doing here? It's something about the...
This is the first part of the wall. First layer. My camera battery is dying, so I'm really just finna put this second and maybe third layer on. And I'm gonna come back and show y'all what that look like.
I try to resist, we can get away. Chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an everything that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you.
Alright, are y'all ready for the part 1 big reveal? I finished putting all the vines up. I used 2 packs. I'll put what I used down in my description box below. Everything I got was from Amazon. So without further ado, let's get into my content portion of the room. Excuse the wig head. So this is what it looks like from far away. Putting this up is part 1 of the project, and part 2, I'm gonna put lights on them. This is really gonna give it that pizzazz, you know, like that wow factor. It's an on and off switch. Let's get to installing these lights.
Feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna...
Alright, so this is the finished product. It's, you know, really nice. Took me a good little minute and they kept falling, and at first it was looking a hot mess because the cords were jumble tangled, do a wrangle through the jungle, and I just couldn't do that. I have this remote and this controls everything, so we can do like, and we can turn the brightness up. I think that's as high as it goes. I ain't know we had this one. Random dum dum dum. Anyway, I'm gonna be up close and personal on the wall. Get down here. So this is gonna be the new background space because that is childish. I don't have time for that anymore. I'm grown. Don't ask me why I'm not at my home. Mind your business. Thank you guys so much for watching this process. Let me know if y'all have any designated spaces in your house where you do certain content or anything like that, because if y'all want to give me ideas, I'm open. Just can't wait to start creating on this background. All you're gonna see is my little, so be prepared to see all that. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure y'all head on over to my Instagram, my socials, my TikTok. Make sure you follow me. We're doing a giveaway soon. Thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers. I appreciate every single last one of you for subscribing to my channel and sticking with me through this journey. Let's see where it takes us. See y'all in the next video.
I want you.